How to Sony Vaio laptop bootable pen drive connect using the pressing F3B when not have the access button. I am showing the Sony Vaio laptop model. You see this one? There have not access button in the keyboard, so we are showing this one the pen drive. We are connect the pen drive and USB. Just hold. I'm showing. Then I will shut down the laptop. There I have some technique. When the shutdown is done, now we are doing something. This model have boot in the F3 button. There I have some technique. Usually we are doing always pressing the bootable button. This is the bootable button F3, always pressing, but Sony Vaio this is not the always pressing. We just press and hold, then after hold, then we are on the laptop. Then the boot is coming. You see the hold the button, then the boot is coming. This is the second one or third one is the bootable pen drive. Second, this thing. Then just mouse is coming and a double click. Our pen drive is bootable. It's showing. This is the boot. There have others information. There have not access button. Also, when the F3 is not working, you try to the other button 2 and